The last thing you want during a ransomware recovery is to manually hunt through multiple snapshots trying to find clean files. Curated Recovery eliminates that burden by automatically assembling a clean composite restore point using the latest known good versions of files across a selected time range. It scans for threats, excludes malicious content, and delivers a verified golden snapshot so teams can restore faster and with confidence. You have the ability to create curated snapshots from within the Druva Cloud console. Select your resource, such as OneDrive or a NAS share. Select your date range here on how far back you want to go. This information may come from your security team or through data anomaly detection. Choose how long you want the snapshot to exist for, and then it will automatically be put through current AV and IOC scans to verify nothing malicious is restored. You can even select file extensions for known issues like .locky. Once the snapshot is created, it becomes available to restore. Restore in place or to another location, or even download the data for further scanning and investigation. Speed up your clean recovery and avoid data loss with Curated Recovery.